Hello traders, in this lecture you are going to learn the importance of Gann levels. This course is specifically made for Indian stock and indices. In this course you are going to learn that how to use the Gann levels for Indian stocks like Reliance, Indiabulls Finance, then HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank and other stocks. As well as you are also going to learn how to use these Gann levels in Bank Nifty and Nifty. This course is going to help you a lot for trading in Bank Nifty and Nifty. If you are going to only focus on Bank Nifty and Nifty using these Gann levels, you are going to have the proper analysis that how to use the Gann levels. That's why have a proper focus on all these lectures what we have provided to you, because if you are going to misconcept any of the lecture, then the values are going to get changed, your entries are going to get changed, and you are not going to have the proper analysis. That's why have your 100% focus here only, and remember to make all the notes. So here we are going to look for the importance of Gann levels. Gann levels are going to help us to analyze the trend. So what is basically this? If market is going to cross the Gann levels to its upper side, then we are going to say that the market is in the uptrend. And if the market is going to cross the Gann level at downside, then we are going to say that market is in the downtrend. Second point tells us that it works as support and resistance. Yeah, it works as support and resistance. Market touches the Gann levels and again changes its direction from uptrend to downtrend or from downtrend to uptrend. The next importance is that it is a price action trading strategy. Gann level is a price action. How we consider the pivots as a price action trading strategy? Like that, the Gann levels are also the price action strategy because it helps to analyze the price. And if we are going to look at the RSI, MACD, moving averages, all these are the lagging indicators. They form after the price is formed. And here the Gann levels are formed way before only the price is formed. It helps to analyze in which direction the market is going to go. The next point tells us it helps to control the emotions while trading. What happens here? If you are going to place the Gann level, it is only going to be the two lines. So if the market is going to cross it according to our rules and conditions, we are going to place our trade. Here what happens, daily we are going to get only one or two trade. But if you are using the RSI, moving average, MACD, then there are lots of crossovers, there are lots of oversold regions, there are lots of overbought regions that the RSI is going to touch or the moving averages are going to cross. So we are going to get the multiple trades, and here we are going to lose our accounts also. So that's why the importance of Gann level tells us that it helps to control the emotions while trading. So if we are going to place the multiple trade, it is going to affect our emotions, and then later on we are going to start trading like a gambler. But here using the Gann levels, you are going to have the proper analysis that where we have to exactly place our trade, in which direction we have to place our trade. And your one trade will be so sure shot or the high probability that if you are going to make any kind of loss in the first trade, then you are going to cover your losses in the second trade with a proper risk reward as well. The next point tells us it is one directional trade. So that's what I told you in the previous concept, that it's a one directional trade. Means we are going to get one directional trade only. It's not like moving averages that it is going to have multiple crossovers and we are going to take multiple crossover trades. No, it is going to be in one direction, and once the trade is placed, we are going to place our stop loss, target, and that's it. If the stop loss is going to get, then we are going to wait for the next opportunity. And it does not happen like this when we are using any indicators. The market goes and crosses the moving averages 10 to 20 times daily if we are using a small time frame, and if we are going at the larger time frame, it is going to have very less crossovers, but it is not going to provide us high probability trade. So that's why the Gann levels are very important to provide us one directional trade, whether we have to analyze the trade for the call or whether we have to analyze the trade for the put. It is going to provide us the one directional trades only. Next, it helps to take less number of trades with high probability. The same point, it helps to take less number of trades with high probability. What happens if we are going to take the multiple trades? It is going to affect our emotions. That's what I told you when we were looking for helps to control the emotions while trading as the importance of Gann levels. By taking the less number of trades, we are going to have the proper risk reward, as well as we are going to have the proper analysis on our trading style, that what trades we are taking. If are we taking the multiple trades, are we affecting our balance, are we taking more risk. What happens most of the time, if anyone's account is having 1 lakh rupees, daily he is going to lose 10,000 rupees, 20,000 rupees, and he is not having proper risk and reward. But here, just by using the Gann levels, you are going to have proper risk reward, as well as you are going to have the proper targets set. The next point tells us it helps to focus on chart rather than hundreds of indicators. Yes, what happens as a beginner is that most of the beginner traders put thousands of indicators on their chart. So if they are using the prime account of TradingView, that is the Pro Plus account, then they are going to have the limit of 20 to 10 indicators at a time. What they are going to do, they are going to take whole opportunity of that. Means what they are going to do, they are going to place 20 indicators on the chart. By plotting those indicators, they are not going to have the proper analysis that how exactly the market is moving. What their focus will be only on the indicators. And what the beginners think, that the market is moving according to the indicators, and it's actually vice versa. Indicators are moving according to the market, and this is the main thought comes in the beginner, that market is moving according to the indicators. So what they do, they only focus on the indicators. Like what? They only focus on moving averages. Okay, the crossover is happening, now I am going to place the trade. But they are not looking that whether there is support, whether there is resistance, from here the bounce can happen, nothing they look. Their only focus is on what? Crossover is happening, market has gone in oversold region, market has gone in overbought region, now let's take a call, let's take a put, and they make the losses. Market is not moving according to the indicators. So you need to have the proper price action analysis. That's why we came up with these Gann levels. So here what you are going to do, you are going to only plot the Gann levels, which is going to have the proper clear analysis on your chart, that how the price is behaving near to Gann levels. Then you are going to have the analysis that volumes are excited or no, what is happening, from there buyers are going to enter, sellers are going to enter, what is going to exactly happen. You are going to have full analysis by you just using the Gann levels. Next point tells us it helps to analyze the stop loss, target and entry point. Like how we are analyzing for the pivots, the stop loss, targets and the entry. Like that, the Gann levels are also going to help us to analyze the target, entry point and stop loss. And like this, there are lots of importance of Gann levels. We are going to look for all the importance of Gann levels in the upcoming lectures also, while we are working with the Gann levels. Thank you.